Hello everyone, I am Riyaz. Welcome to my channel Tech with Riyaz. Today I will show you how to create unique ID in SharePoint column. So I will show you here three methods. One of them from a Power Apps, second is automation flow, and third is auto calculation column in SharePoint. So let's start our video. So first method is how to generate unique ID by Power Apps to SharePoint column. So for that, first of all, I have opened my one of the application in Power Apps. So you can see here my one application I am open. So in this application, you can see I am adding one form. And this form is coming from this SharePoint. You can see here in SharePoint, there is unique ID column is empty. So I also refresh it and show you it's a empty column. There is nothing in this column. So now we will go in our Power Apps. I will show here this is a form. Here I am adding two field and this is my submission code. So in this code you can see what I am setting here as a variable. You have to write same variable in your application in this button on select property. So what is it doing? I will show you here. This variable is taking my one of the ID from my last submission form. So here I am writing here set var unique text, then sum, then last var unique dot id plus 1. Why it is plus 1? If my var unique if my last submission id is a 4, so I am doing plus 1 means it's a my current var unique as a 5. Okay, then I am setting one more variable as a set var unique number for doing formation of my unique id in a multiplication of a 4 digit in a 4 digit. So for that I am writing here set var unique number as a variable, then I am typing here write, then concatenate, and then 4 digit. Okay, if you want 5 digit you can write here, then whatever variable we are setting earlier var unique we are taking here, and after that I am doing as a round number as a 4. Okay, so you can write same variable in your onSelect property. Then I am doing this var unique number converting in my var unique id. So I am taking here one more variable set var unique id concatenate. Here ca has it's my customized text, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so ca has then my var unique number, so it will converting my var unique number in along with this text. Okay, now I am doing here patching this var unique id in my SharePoint. So you already know how to patch it. So this is a patch code. In patch my data source and default, then whatever column we have to bind I am writing here. I am removing this unnecessary thing. So this is a unique id I am binding with var unique id, then column I am binding. I am not binding this drop down because it's not required. I am just patching my actually var unique id in my SharePoint. So title I am binding as a title and whatever that data card value dot text, and my unique id in equal to var unique id. Now we are doing patching in this play mode. I am typing something here as a test and then whatever I am choosing here, but it's not patching because I am not binding any code for that. Now click on submit. After submission, now we will go in our SharePoint. It's not coming here. You see here 4 ID already is there. Now I am refreshing because for a new data I have to refresh this one. Again I am refresh. Sometimes it's not taking data immediately, that's why. Now you can see my unique id will come in my new row along with my this title data test, and my unique id is coming. Okay, so by this method you can patch whatever unique id you want in SharePoint. I have generate my unique id by Power Automation flow. Okay, so how to generate unique ID by Power Automation flow in a SharePoint, we can see in this video. Now I have opened here my one of flow what I am created for this. So in this flow you can see this is a get item, and before this I am adding where an item is created and one variable I am setting for that. So you already know how to do it as a get item and when an item is created. In variable I am writing this for that formation what I want to patch in my SharePoint ID. Okay, so for that I am writing here one expression, okay, for converting my ID number, whatever ID I am taking from a get item. Okay, you can see here what formation I am typing here. It is converting my ID to a 4-digit number along with my customized text. Okay, so for that I am only converting in expression my ID to 4-digit, and how to do it I will show here. You can see we can take this ID from a get item also, and when an item is created also that ID you can take, but get item is a preferred. So after I am putting this one, this is also you can take when an item is created, that ID you can also take. Okay, so after that we can just click on update, and whatever CA is my customized text we are writing about to this. Okay, now we will go to a update list because we are updating that SharePoint list with a unique ID. Okay, if you want to create you can use also create, because whenever you want to create a new row you have to use here create, but I want to update my existing row, so I'm choosing here update list. So you can see now this is my ID column, and I am just showing my that unique ID column is visible or not. Yes, it's we can see it's visible or not. Okay, I'm patching this one in my incident number. Okay, incident number, you can see it is a blank. Okay, there is no ID right now. So now we are adding one item here. I'm adding one item. I'm just adding here demo thing something for show you how to update my existing row, because I am creating one row. Okay, after creating one row this row automatically updated with a unique ID in incident number. Okay, I am creating and save, but it will not come because my automation flow will start right now. Okay, so it's take a few seconds because after creating item that automation flow will trigger. Now I will refresh this one. So I am refreshing and we can check. Yes, it will come. Okay, and I will show you here output also my flow. So for that how to show it, we will go in a run history, and that run history, this first one we can open. Here we can see the output of our flow. So here you can see in update list, and this is the incident number. In update list we can see this is the output of our flow. Okay, so this ID, unique ID, will patch in incident number whatever desired formation we will given. So you can see here it will come. Okay, so by this method you can update your SharePoint list with a unique number, unique ID, whatever you want. So now we will go to a next method. So in next method, I will show you how to generate unique ID by SharePoint calculation column. For that, I have opened my SharePoint list, and in this list there is a 2 column and one more column we will add here. I will show you just ID column. You can see here 3 item is there. Now we will go on a list setting and go to as a new create column. Click on create column. In this create column we are adding one calculated column. Okay, so for that I am typing here as a task ID. Okay, so here I am choosing as a calculated column. Okay, so I am adding here one calculation. So now you can see how I will adding here one calculation. Same you have to write what you want as a formation of that ID. Okay, I am taking here that ID column only for a modification and formation of my task ID. Okay, so same text with the same whatever I am using here, semicolon, inverted column, inverted bracket, you can use this one. Now you can see I will show that column. In this column you can see that coming or not. So task ID I am enable here. Okay, apply, and you can see this task ID automatically generated. So by this method you can create unique ID also in your SharePoint. So here I am explaining 3 methods, one of from Power Apps, one from Automation Flow, and one is a SharePoint calculation column. So please share my video to whatever relevant person, and also like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.